Hi there, and welcome back to Figuring Out AI. If I can figure it out, so can you. Today's video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to create a Canva account. Go up to your browser and type www.canva.com. Hit enter, and you will land on the Canva homepage. If you move to the right top hand corner, you'll see this beautiful purple button that says sign in. Click on that. And if you do have a Canva account, it will bring you and show you all your accounts. But I am going to presume that you don't have an account. So you should land on a window that looks like this, that will ask you if you want to continue signing in with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email account. Let's say you don't have Google or Facebook and you want to continue with email. You simply click on email, and then it will ask you to type in your email address. So you type in the email address that you want to use to create your Canva account. After that, hit continue. Then it will ask you to create a strong password. Create your password, write it down, save it somewhere, and then Canva will send you an email. Click on that email, open it up, and follow the instructions. And that will create a Canva account via your email. But let's say you would rather use Google. Let me just get there again. So I want to use my Google account. You simply click here, continue with Google. It will ask you with which Google account, if you have more than one, would you like to create your Canva account? Click on that one. Click on continue. And just like that, you have created a Canva account. If you've never had a Canva account, this area here will be blank. These are projects that I've been working on. And if you're wondering why your Canva interface looks different than mine, it's because I'm in dark mode. So yours will probably look white. I'll show you how to change that. If you go to the bottom left-hand corner, this little icon is where your account lives. Click on it. Go to theme and click on light or dark, depending which one you are. Here it changed mine to light theme. It's a little bit bright for my eyes. I prefer to work in dark mode, so I'll just go back and I'll click on this icon at the bottom again. Go to theme and click on dark. And that is how you create a Canva account. Happy creating. Thank you for watching this video, and like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Bye.